But if you're asking for my opinion, I would go after the bachelor's in artificial intelligence. When I was going through school and when I was looking at different programs, which was many years ago, many years ago, by the way, I would have never, ever chosen a bachelor's in computer science. And even now, when I do hiring, for my teams, or when I read resumes or stuff like that, computer science is still kind of a touchy subject. The problem with most computer science programs, and I'm sorry if I'm offending anybody, because I know some of you are in computer science programs, right? But the problem with computer science programs is that with the exception of like 2 or 3 schools, really globally, and they're all and as far as I know, they're all in the United States, with the exception of like 2 or 3 schools, they're all basically churning out the same graduates, right? Like every computer science program out there is essentially the same.